A code of conduct. Do you have a code of conduct? I don't know, man. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and one of the things that I think we all kind of have a problem with is that we don't necessarily have our own code of conduct. That's something that I think we lack on a regular basis, and one of the things that people have a problem with us. DJs don't have a conduct code. I mean, come on, they party for a living. They show up and do whatever they want. They play the music they want. They play it really loud. They show up dressed in a certain way, or they drink, or they eat, or they're not really there to be, gentlemen or ladies. They're there to party, and that's the job, right? That's how it's defined. But have you ever sat down to figure out what kind of code of conduct would be appropriate if you were to pay someone to do a party for you? I mean, really, doing a party for your mother or for your sister or for your aunt or someone you care about, what in fact would you expect from them? Have you got specific? Did you sit down and talk about how you think they might dress, or how they might act, or how they would treat the guests, the kind of music they would play, any of that stuff? Do you have your own version of a code of conduct? I mean, it can help answer a lot of questions about what you're willing to do. It will help set you aside of other people who do not have one at all. You have something now, but have you really written it down? Are you using it in such a way that it will set you aside? And will you stand by it as a person of integrity, that you will do this, but you won't do that? You will do that, but you won't do this. Have you written it down? Do you even use it? This is a step towards adulthood and a step towards being more professional in a world of people that are not being professional on a regular basis. I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License, and I'd like to know what you think.